friends. Today we'll discuss communication system. Communication involves the transmission of information from one point to another point through a medium which is called channel. So a communication system has three basic components. These are transmitter, channel, receiver. Now our information source is in the form of either sound signal, that is audio, or video signal. So this audio or video signal is converted into an electrical signal with the help of some transducer that we will discuss later. So this electrical signal or message signal is given to the transmitter. The function of transmitter is basically to process the electrical signal from different aspects. Mainly modulation takes place in this transmitter. In modulation, the message signal is superimposed upon high carrier frequency signal so that we can easily transmit it over a long distance. Now the work of channel is to transmit, that is to travel the signal from transmitter to receiver. In other words, we can say that the function of channel is to provide a physical connection between the transmitter and receiver. This can be a wire line, a microwave link, or optical fiber in case of point-to-point communication. And in the case of wireless communication, we use two antennas, one at the transmitter side and one at the receiver side. Now the main function of receiver is to reproduce the signal which is received from channel into the desired message signal. Now sometimes noise occurs in the channel. So the function of receiver is to remove the noise and extract the original message signal from the signal received. The typical example of communication system are line telephony, line telegraphy, radio telephony, radio telegraphy, radio broadcasting, point-to-point communication, and mobile communication, computer communication, radar communication, television broadcasting, radio telemetry, radio aids to navigation, radio aids to aircraft landing, etc. That's all from my side today. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.